Since we don't know how long this apocalypse isolation is gonna end, might as well have some upgrades for your gaming rig or even work setup for those who work from home to liven up your quarantine experience. So here we are with the Tecware Phantom RGB 10 keyless keyboard, which is probably the best budget and bang for buck keyboard out there, especially in Malaysia right now. Of course, there are cheaper ones, but at this price point, you can't go any lower because you'll definitely be sacrificing build quality and overall experience. Plus, you're getting a product from a trusted company, which is Tecware. When you receive your package, you'll get a user manual guide and 4 extra key switches, as well as the keyboard in the box, so not much there. I got the brown keys. The build quality is actually good because of its minimal flex and steel mounting plate, but the case, however, is plastic. Besides that, it has a smooth surface, thus it will not pick up any fingerprints. There's also almost no branding except for the Phantom text in front of the keyboard, which is a plus for the minimalists out there. At the bottom of the keyboard, there are 2 rubber feet if you want to elevate the keyboard to your preferences. If you want to change your keycaps, there's also a keycap holder for that. This keyboard connects via USB and the cable is braided nicely for long use. The keycaps are made from ABS plastic, has a matte finish and is suitable for all types of use. I can get more into detail here, but this is for the casual review. The one I have here is the 10 key edition. I personally chose it because of its compact size. And I don't really use a numpad that often. I don't want to get into detail for the RGB, but it is true RGB, and there's a good around 6 to 12 modes of the profiles that you can pick for your liking. As you can see, simply click the function button and press the RGB buttons, which is the insert home keys. They also provide software for more options. You can't customize individual keys though, so that's a problem. I don't know much about barcode, but it does exist for you guys that are looking for it. For the sound, it's not that loud, but at the same time, it is noticeable if you type it in a work environment. So here's the sound. So nowadays, there's a lot of companies that try to copy other switches in order to have the same feel as the specific ones. For us consumers, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. These outemu switches are a attempt of a copy of the famous Cherry MX. I personally haven't tried one yet, but based on other reviews, they don't have that much of a difference. So it's good for us consumers, but I think there are people who prefer the original Cherry MX brown switches, so it's personal preference overall. So in conclusion, I think this keyboard is perfect for those who are on tight budget and for those who want to dive in the mechanical keyboard world. So this is like a starter mechanical keyboard if you want. I hope you guys stay safe in this quarantine, and please like the video so we have a little bit of positivity during this pandemic. Also, links to the keyboard in the description below. There's Lazada links, there's Amazon links. Click the links below for a cheaper price. Also, comment down below if you think there's any other alternatives that are same level if not better.